Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know how does this swapping orb actually works in Archero 2, then this video is for you. So here is the ultimate guide for you. So you can actually get it out wisely and make sure you are active and you won't miss any step, so you can avoid any type of hassle. Now here is how to use swapping orbs. So after getting some orbs, it's the perfect time to know how to use them effectively. So here's the step-by-step process. First, you have to go to the inventory screen. So go to your gear tab and find the item you wish to trade. The swapping option will be only available for the gear that is up to the tier of the orb. Then select this swap gear, click a swiping icon and select the desired one from the list of orbs available in the inventory. Click OK if you would like to trade the item and get a new piece of equipment. 3. Review the new item, analyze the stat bonuses of the new item and fit it into your current hero build. If it's better, keep it, otherwise you can consider other gears for swaps. Here's the important notes for you. The swap's outcome is random and restricted to the gear tier. Certain temporary equipments might be not be interchangeable. Most of the time, upgrading would be lost, but always check again before confirming. So here is something that you have to know: that best swapping strategy, which gear to swap. So swapping gear is not about picking the item that with the highest rarity, rather it's about changing the characters built for the task. So the first strategy is elemental synergy matters. If you are witch who use fire-based weapons such as Gale Force or Flaming Broadsword, it is wise to have your ring or armor to be part of the element. Using the correct gear set before a challenging bosses or stage can enhance the damage per second. Survival versus aggression. Armor swaps. Fleeing style players perfect skill like Phantom Cloak or Shadow Robe, while strong players focus on armor such as Vest of Dexterity or Void Robe. In case you are facing stages filled with mobs of enemies, it is advisable to switch to the defensive equipment. Weapon flexibility by mode. Weapons like a Bright Spear or Tornado can be used for clearing mobs quickly and for AoE. On the other side, Death Scent or the Demon Blade for our high burst damage and can be used for boss fights. Remember to plan loadouts and even to change them before significant stages start. Mid-run swapping. For most players who play free-to-play, it is more profitable to have one powerful improved set of weapons. Using non-limited swapping orbs before or after death may also be advantageous if accessible. This is particularly true if you play Archero 2 on PC, since drag and drop gear manipulation is quicker and more fluid than on mobile devices. Prioritize the core gear. If you are restricted with orbs, spend them on weapons and armors first, as they give large bonuses to your survivability rate and damage per second. Accessories such as the rings or pets can be exchanged only if it is useful in a particular stage. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And yeah, here is the gear swap table. You can find the gear type, the main choice and swap in choice, and when to swap and the reason. So you can get a screenshot and you can find the more details from here. Thanks for watching. Till next time.